Just imagine it's the month of October. The clock shows 6 o'clock in the morning. Outside, it's a bit cold and completely dark, and you absolutely don't feel like leaving your blanket. At that exact moment, the alarm rings, and in front of you appear two paths. The first path goes toward the snooze button, back to sleep and comfort. The second path, I'll talk about that later because most people choose the first one, and that's exactly why their life never really changes. They keep thinking, when warmer days come, then I'll do something. But there are a few rare people who choose the second path because they know very well that a real hero, a real champion, can be made at this very moment. And this is what is called the beginning of the winter arc. Winter arc is not just a trending word, it's a mindset. It's a weapon that can transform you in the next 90 days into the person you've always wanted to become. So if you're ready to separate yourself from the crowd, fully committed to building yourself, and you won't cry over useless excuses, then this video is only and only for you. You must have noticed that in winter, people become inactive. Even gyms are less crowded. People spend the whole day wrapped in blankets, watching Netflix, scrolling Instagram and movies. But the truth is, these 3 months, from October to December, are literally a golden period for transformation. This is the time when you can silently change yourself completely. And that's the concept of the winter arc. This is not just a trend, it's a proven method. So if you're serious about your growth, just give the next few minutes to this video and listen carefully. Some people are still confused about what this winter arc actually is. Basically, this word comes from anime. If you've watched anime, you know that most of the time before a big battle or a major action, the hero disappears for a while, away from the world's eyes. Alone, he trains himself, he works on his weaknesses, and when he comes back, his power, his focus, even his personality has changed. He returns as his best version, and we just have to apply this same concept to our own lives. The only difference is that here, your enemy is not outside. It's inside you, your laziness, your comfort zone, and those bad habits that stop you from moving forward. In simple words, the winter arc is a 90-day mission where you disconnect from the world to reconnect with yourself. You sacrifice useless things like parties, hanging out with friends, social media, and short-term pleasures so that you can achieve long-term growth. The intention is only one. After 90 days, when you return, you come back as a powerful, focused, and best version of yourself and shock the world. But you might ask, why winter? Because winter has a superpower that most people never notice. Look at summer, holidays, parties with friends, weekend plans, wedding season, and high temperatures that overheat your brain. You can't focus properly, but winter is different. In winter, the whole world automatically slows down. Distractions are almost zero. People go out less, plans with friends reduce, and the world is basically hibernating. And this becomes your opportunity. When there's no noise, in that silence, you can understand yourself better. Just think about it. While others will be making New Year resolutions in January, promising the same things they promised last year and still won't do by then, you'll already have completed your transformation. When they finally come out of their quilts, you'll already be standing there as your best version, leaving them shocked. But to achieve the winter arc, you must build your foundation on 3 powerful pillars. If even one pillar is weak, the entire winter arc will collapse. The first and most important pillar is your body. Your body is not just a body. It's a powerful machine that turns your dreams and ambitions into reality. If this pillar is weak, you can't build anything on top of it. For the next 90 days, you will treat your body like a temple. This simply means doing 3 things. You must sweat 4 to 5 days a week, whether it's lifting weights in the gym, running, yoga, or bodyweight exercises at home. The point is discipline. Whenever your mind says, not today, that's exactly when you must get up and go. You can't feed garbage to a powerful machine and expect high performance. For the next 90 days, say goodbye to junk food, sugar, and processed food. Eat home-cooked meals. Focus on protein, fruits, and vegetables. Never sacrifice this. 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep is non-negotiable. This is when your body recovers and your mind recharges. 1 hour before sleeping, put your phone on airplane mode and keep it away. No excuses. A strong body with a weak mind is like a car with punctured tires. It may look good, but it won't reach its destination. To sharpen your mind, do just these 3 things. Just 10 pages, no more. Any book, self-improvement, business or biography. In 90 days, you'll read around 900 pages, 3 to 4 books that can completely shift your mindset. In this noisy world, finding inner peace is difficult. Every morning, close your eyes for 5 minutes and focus on your breathing, or at night, write your thoughts in a diary. This gives your mind incredible clarity. You become what you watch and listen to. You must stop mindless scrolling on social media. Unfollow all accounts that make you feel insecure or useless instead of inspired. Feed your mind quality information garbage. Finally, the third and most important pillar, your mission. Discipline and focus only matter when your energy is used in the right direction. Your body and mind are your weapons, but your mission decides which battle you'll use them in. For the next 90 days, choose one big mission, one skill, one project, one goal. Maybe you'll learn a high-income skill like content creation, AI agents, or sales. Maybe you'll finally start that side hustle you've only been thinking about for years. Or maybe you'll study 2 extra deep focus hours daily to top your exams. Your mission can be anything, but it must be clear. Whenever you don't feel like waking up, whenever laziness hits, this mission will remind you why you started. Now you have 3 pillars: a powerful body, a sharp mind, and a clear mission. But 90 days might sound scary, right? Don't worry. We'll break it into 3 easy parts. Your only job this month is consistency. Don't try to be perfect. No need to work out for 2 hours on day 1. Just build the habit of going. Even 20 minutes daily is enough. Don't target 50 pages of reading. Start with 5 pages. The first 30 days are about experience, about sending a signal to your body and mind that everything has changed. Your only enemy this month is laziness, and you must defeat it. By now, habits have started forming. Now it's time to turn up the heat. This is where real growth happens. Increase weights, reps, or time. Go into advanced topics of your skill. Read 20 pages instead of 10. This is the month of pain. This is when your discipline will be tested the most, when you'll feel like quitting. But if you survive this month, real transformation happens here. By day 90, these actions won't just be habits, they'll be your identity. You're no longer someone who has to go to the gym.